Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to sell company stock shares. And before we dive in, if you guys are serious about fast tracking your financial freedom, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. All right, let's talk about how to sell company shares of stock. And maybe your company has given you the opportunity to purchase shares in the company and you want to sell them. You don't want to be all invested in your company, working for them and having your investments all with the same company, which can be kind of risky. So if you want to sell them, it should be pretty simple. If they are already a publicly traded company, then you should be able to just log into your account and sell the shares right inside the account. And if you need help doing that, then just talk to the person at your company who is in charge of this program, and they can help you do that. And if your company isn't public yet, but they're planning on going public, you could still sell the shares. You can sell them through a third-party company. And I wrote down just a couple. There was Shares Post and Equity Zen, Z-E-N, are a couple different websites that you could go to sell your shares if that stock hasn't gone public yet. And I haven't used either of those companies, so I'm not super familiar with them, but that is an option. There are investors that are looking for company stock to buy with new companies. So once you sell those shares, then you will get the money from those shares. And keep in mind, if you held the shares for at least 1 year and at least 2 years before the initial offering date, then you'll be taxed at a long-term tax rate, capital gains tax rate, instead of a short-term capital gains tax rate. And usually, for most people, if you hold it for at least that year and at least 2 years before that initial offer date of the stock, then you'll be taxed the long-term capital gains rate tax, which is going to be lower than the short-term capital gains tax rate. And that's for most people. So you do want to try to hold them for at least a year after the purchase period, and then you can have that lower tax rate. But if you don't want to keep that risk, you don't want to keep a hold of the stocks for that long, then go ahead and sell them and you can pay a little more in taxes. It's up to you, but just keep that in mind. So it should be pretty simple to sell them. And then if you want to invest that money into another brokerage account, then you can definitely just take that money out of your account and switch it over to another brokerage account. Like Ally is who I use. I know another popular one is Robinhood right now. And then once you put that money into your other brokerage account, then you can invest in different stocks or in different funds and just pay the commission fee that would be involved with that brokerage company. For example, I know Ally charges $4.95 to place an order to purchase a stock or to sell a stock. And I know Robinhood is free to do that. So that would be your option if you wanted to reinvest that money somewhere else. And that is how you would do it. So it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully you found this video helpful. And let me know if you end up selling your company shares and how it goes. And if you have other questions, please comment below. Let me know your questions. And if you'd like to see a video on a different topic about investing or about money, please post it below. And I would love to create a video for you guys. And that's actually the reason that I created this video. So it was a question that I had. So happy to do videos for you guys. And please check out my other videos. I have a lot of videos on money and managing your money and investing and the stock market and real estate. So check those out. And if you guys are serious about fast tracking your financial freedom, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.